Hi, good morning, children. Welcome to EVS session. Yesterday, we already discussed that be obedient, don't be naughty, be safe, and we have need to wear a special clothing while playing sports. Already we discussed. Now we'll discuss the one boy standing near a water, that is swimming pool. Is Mohit dressed for swimming? Give reason for your answer. Yes, Mohit is dressed, but the swimming dresses, that is uniform, is not dressed because he is wearing a common dress, but there is no precaution dresses are not there, because wherever you go near a water, you have to wear a life jacket, caps and all, because it will not float. We are not floating, because whenever we wearing a life jacket and when we go went to the water, near a water or beach, there is no risk. So you have to wear a life jacket, caps and all, because it is a water will not float it, so that it contain the plastics contain. So this you have to wear a plastic life jackets or caps and all, so it will not risk. Otherwise, only wearing a light cotton dresses, he is wearing light cotton dress, it is a very risk. So you have to write a clean class workbook. Wearing a life jacket is a there is a no risk, so we have to wear a life jacket. Understood? And next come to, now that you are grown up, you should be able to look after yourself at all. Yes, now that you are grown up, you should be able to look after yourself. Yes, always your parents are not behind you, because wherever you go outside or wherever you going to your friend house or coming by while in marketplaces, always your parents are not there, so you have to be careful. So always you have to care yourself only. So because now you grown up children, you should be able to look after yourself at all times. So remember children, here it is your body. Yes, it is your body, it is my body. We have to take care every part of the body, the internal parts and external parts, because you are playing lot of playing in a playground with your friends, your neighbors. So you have to drink a maximum 7 to 8 glasses of water. Remember children, so you have to eat a nutritious foods, vitamin foods. So you have to take care of your body. So it is your body, you have a right to protect it. Yes, we have a right to protect it. So you have from till head to bottom leg, from top to bottom, that is you have a right to protect it. So if someone you don't know try to talk to you or try to touch you or come closer to you and you are not comfortable or happy about it, you can be rude. So brother or sister or that person, you can shout for help and please tell your parents or elders or brother sister about it immediately. It means if you don't know any other, some people are trying to talk you, some people are touching you, some people they are doing irritation for you, so you can't uncontrollable. So you will be on that time, you will always strong and it will be rude. You can ask the question, why, who are you, what you want, just you take very stronger. So that person, you can shout for help on that place only, and please tell your parents, brothers or sisters, so about it immediately. Next day he will alert, the parents are alert, the brother and sisters will be alert. So this will happen whenever it will happen, yes or no. And sometime you might even know the person. So next come to the 175 page number. Now tell you know enough about the taking care of yourself. You must also make sure that do not get hurt because of your actions. Yes, not only taking care of yourself, you have to see the other persons, that our things, our behavior will not hurt because for your actions. Which are the actions they shown in the 175 page number we will discuss in next class. I repeat once again, now you are grown up children, always the parents will are not there with you, so you will go the school or you will go the market, your friends home. You should be able to look after yourself at all times. And remember children, here if it is your body, you have to protect it. You have a right to protect it. If someone you don't know, they will try to talk with you or try to touch you, or they will tell to come this side, I will give you chocolate and all, and they will very closer to you and you are not comfortable for that so behaving, so you will shout them on that places only. You will ask that question, who are you, what you want. You can be rude, so you, on that to that person, so and you can also shout for help. And even also please, next day or suddenly you have to intimate your parents, brothers, sisters, so about it immediately, otherwise next day they will alert for you. Yes or no, they will tell to alert. So sometime you might even also know the person. Understood? And that hurt, do not get hurting because of your actions. That actions will discuss in next class, that is 175 page number. Okay, bye children, have a good day.